This bacon, egg, and cheese cup is a quick and easy breakfast that's low carb and incredibly delicious. These baked eggs are high in protein and can be ready in less than 20 minutes. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat the inside of a 10-ounce oven-safe ramekin with butter and set it aside. Cook 1 piece of bacon in a medium-sized skillet over medium heat. Remove the bacon and drain on a paper towel-lined plate. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Stir in 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, crumbled bacon, a tablespoon of chopped green onions, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Pour the mixture into a ramekin and bake for 15 to 18 minutes until the eggs are set. Enjoy immediately. Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.